when he played me, because I recorded first, and then I came back. When he played me something, I said, "Pigmy, shush! I can hear a bird in the studio." And he didn't say anything. I said, "Pigmy, I can hear this fucking bird. Stop!" It was a bird effect he put on. You know, mad hippie. No.
Estaba muy bien. Y yo, no, hay pajaritos, no.
No birds, he said. I can hear the fucking birds.
It's from the street.
I made a record once in Portugal, and in a little studio, and you could hear the bus beep, beep, at the end of the song. I left it in, I thought it was quite funny. You ready, Pigmy? So, rainy days in sunny city. And you can sing the chorus if you like.
The sky slowly wastes my time. Wash my eyelids in the rain and dry them in the wind again. And getting drunk on very cheap red wine. What will I do on rainy days in sunny Sydney without you? To take my hand along the highways like you do. You'll break my heart, I'll fall apart, I swear it's true. You'll break my heart, I'll fall apart, I swear it's true. You'll break my heart, I'll fall apart, I swear it's true. Nothing's right, I'm just a crowd who's heading for the sea. And if I hurt you on the way, I'm sorry, that's the price you pay for wasting time with a rugged folk like me. What will I do on rainy days in sunny Sydney